What you got there? That's pouring hard out there. What you got there, buddy? Oh, wow. You want?
What is that?
Really? It's just,
Oh, not yet. Hold on. Let's see what else you got.
look, pull stuff out of there.
What is that? Take it out.
Yeah.
Okay, put that one back. What else is there, JJ?
See what else there is? Look. Look. Here.
What is that?
Let's open it and find out.
Wow, you got cotton candy. What else is there? What's this? It's not juice, it's bubbles.
Look. Don't stretch it. Look. SpongeBob, look. Who's that? What are those? Krabby Patties. Krabby Bubbles.
What else you got in there? What's this? Oh, wow. Look, JJ. A lot of bubbles, right? Okay, let's see. You got finger painting. A dry erase board. Look, you got some cookies.
Show Mom what it is.
Let me see. A bunny.
What's the rest of your stuff in there? Let's see. Look.
You got blue juice, JJ?
Little chickens. Look what's in here, buddy. Krabby Patties. Krabby Patties.